Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to connect Zendrop to Shopify in 2025. If you're running an online store and want to streamline your dropshipping process, this tutorial is perfect for you. Zendrop makes it easy to source products and handle fulfillment, while Shopify powers your storefront. By connecting the two, you'll save time and boost efficiency. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up for both Zendrop and Shopify. If you don't, head over to their websites and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. This is where all the magic happens. Search for Zendrop in the Shopify App Store. You'll find the official app. Click on it and hit Add App to install it on your store. After installation, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. This step involves logging into your Zendrop account and granting Shopify permission to access your data. Don't worry, it's secure. Once authorized, you'll see a setup wizard that guides you through linking your products and inventory. Take a moment to select which products from Zendrop you want to import into Shopify. You can choose based on categories, prices, or even stock levels. Next, configure your fulfillment settings. This includes setting up shipping options and automating order processing so that when a customer places an order on Shopify, it automatically syncs to Zendrop. Test this by placing a dummy order to ensure everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, check the help sections in both apps or reach out to their support teams. They're usually very responsive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have Zendrop fully integrated with Shopify, making your dropshipping business run like a well-oiled machine. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.